Well, teachers in Central Florida are preparing to welcome more students back into the classroom. Next week kicks off the second quarter, and many parents who decided to have their kids learn from home now want them back at school. And next week, Seminole County schools are expecting a 10% increase in students. News 6's Amanda Castro joins us now live from Seminole County. And Amanda, what do health leaders there have to say about the thousands of additional students returning to the classroom next week?
Well, Ginju, they're confident in the school district's reopening plans and how they've handled positive cases here during the first quarter, saying wearing face masks and practicing social distancing are helping to prevent the spread of the virus in schools. 4,500 Seminole County students are returning to classrooms as the second 9 weeks of the school year begins on Monday.
Is the health department doing anything differently, knowing that there's going to be more students face-to-face learning?
We're maintaining.
District officials say more than 38,000 students are now learning face-to-face. That's still under 50% capacity. According to the district's COVID-19 dashboard, there have been 108 positive cases since school started on August 17th. Donna Walsh with the county health department says most cases are community acquired and not from the schools itself. She credits that to students and staff wearing masks and practicing social distancing.
That's why we're seeing very little, if not any, transmission within a setting, because they've adhered to those recommendations.
She says as more students return to school, her office will continue to work closely with the district, tracking positive cases and contact tracing to determine if students need a quarantine or self-isolate.
We'll watch very closely, and they certainly, any student, staff, or member or teacher who tests positive, they are a priority to make sure that we do our case investigations and contact tracing immediately to keep it from spreading. So we'll maintain that effort.
And Walsh says as more students return to the classroom, she's told that schools will be able to maintain that social distancing inside those rooms. Now, we'll hear more from health leaders as well as get their thoughts on how the county is doing now that we're a couple weeks into the state's phase 3 of the reopening plans. That's coming up in my story at 5:30. Reporting live in Seminole County, Amanda Castro, Getting Results, News 6.